Hi everybody, I just want to show you the latest thing that I made here in the So Can She Sewing Studio. I'm so excited about this project. It is actually something that I made for myself because I need it. I need something to use every day to carry my face masks in when I go to the store, when I take my son to his physical therapy. I mean, I only go out as much as I have to, but I still have to get out a little bit, and I need this face mask wallet. So this is the face mask wallet that I designed. It has a pocket on the front where I can put my clean little face mask that has been washed and ready for the day. And it has two little snaps. So here is my face mask wallet. There is also a zipper pocket on top, so it's a real wallet. I can put my cards, my little bottle of hand sanitizer in here, everything that I need in the wallet portion. And then, this is the great part, on the back, here we go, another little pocket for the face masks that have already been used. So I can put them in this little pocket, and I know these are the ones that need to be washed as soon as I get home. And just in case I decide not to use this side for the face masks that need to be washed, guess what? It is the perfect size for me to just put my phone in, two little snaps to keep it secure, and there we go. This side might hold my phone, and then I still have room for my face masks in the front pocket. Here we go. I love that snap sound. It's just so satisfying. Here's my little face mask. Snap it closed. And I've got a wrist strap here. Simple yet secure to hold, so I can just carry it like a little wallet, like a little clutch. As I was working on this design, I also did another one. See, here we go. Isn't that awesome? And this one only has one snap on each pocket, which would actually work just fine if you're just keeping your face masks in it. But since I wanted the option of keeping my phone in one of the pockets, that's why I decided to put two snaps on the last one that I made so that it would be super secure and I wouldn't worry about my phone falling out. The free sewing tutorial for this face mask wallet is on my website, socanshe.com. I'm going to put a link to it in this video, and of course there's also a link in the space below. So anyway, just want to say hi. So happy to see you reading my blog and leaving comments. This is sure crazy times, but we're getting through it, and I'm so glad that I can be here for you to write face mask patterns and this little face mask wallet pattern, and just keep this all sewing away, doing the things we need to do until we get through. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later.